Hello, it's Spence from WP Launch Club with your WordPress tip of the day. Today I've got a great time saver. It's something I needed in particular. So often I find myself reusing the same snippet, the same phrase, the same bit of data, whether it be in my email, in my blog posting, in my social media posting, and so forth. And in the past, I used to have a little app that I'd used inside of my browser. Well, today I went looking for a new one, and I came up with Text Blaze. This is available at blaze.today, and it's a free tool that extends into Chrome or Outlook or your other browsers, and it essentially allows you this immediate capability for free, up to, I think, 25 saved snippets for doing the kind of things that will save you an infinite amount of time. Best of all, it works across all of the applications on your desk. Let's say I'm doing something very often inside of my blog posts. Maybe I'm putting in the same kind of introduction, maybe I'm putting in a footer, or maybe I've just got some details. On the other hand, maybe I've got something I'm using for sales response or customer support inside of my email application. Either way, I can now grab something that I'm going to use, edit it, save it, and reuse it again. So here's my dashboard, and I've got a couple little snippets here, right? So maybe I've got some styled text. Now what's neat about this is you can give it a name, and then you can give it a shortcut. The shortcut is universal. So if I wanted to, let's say, take this data that I've edited and saved using, again, this nice WYSIWYG editor, I simply go into wherever I'm working, in this case it's WordPress, and start typing style. Boom! It pastes it in place. And in this case, with WordPress using Gutenberg, it actually knows to put it in the format of a list, and the beginning part is a paragraph. I can also do another one. Let's go ahead and add a new line. And I've got another one here which has times and dates. This one's quite interesting because it's got calculations and formatting. Let's go ahead and look at the shortcut. It's D8. So I'll go ahead and select D8. Boom, inserts it in place. Super, super easy. Now here's the neat part. If I go ahead and edit whatever's here, this is something I've edited. I can go ahead and format it as I wish using, again, the nice WYSIWYG tools here, and I can go with a different format of font and so forth. Now it automatically saves that, so the next time I use that, it will give the new version. Let's go ahead and try it. Huge time saver, huge time saver. I've used this in emails, I've used this in Upwork, I've used this in blog posts. It's something that lives at the place where I'm mostly interacting with people now through my web browser. Another neat thing about them is they have a premium version that you can pay for to get more snippets and some advanced features, but they've also got some really neat templates that will kind of get you inspired, if not actually get you started. So for example, here, sales snippets. This might be something to check out with some examples of where you might use it, right? If you're responding to customers or you're doing some prospecting, you can find something like this. Just copy it to Text Blaze, edit it, and then save it for yourself, right? So 30 seconds your time, and I'll save this as 30. I want to use it. Now it's available to me immediately, as quick as that, in the future. So let's clear this out. And I just type 30, boom. Really easy, great time saver. I hope this tip helps you out, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.